Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I did get a request to just, show a speed test for Mobile X and Visible Plus. And so in this first part here, um, you're seeing a little window that has the Visible Base plan. So this is before I upgraded to the Plus. And so, yeah, you should be able to see here the speeds. And I'm running one basically on the Pixel 6. Now that's the two devices I am actually going to be comparing Mobile X to Visible Plus is the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6a, as they have the same chip, the same modem. So I figured it would be fair and just having them connected to the same server. And so we'll see what we get. Now I'm going to run Mobile X first, and this is Mobile X. This is not a plus plan or, gain access to ultra wideband type thing. This is just Mobile X. And those are the downlink and uplink speeds on the Pixel 6a, which is running my Mobile X. And just to show you that the visible one is on the same server. And then I'll run the speed test on visible. Now, they are slightly comparable. Which is funny because with, the Mobile X, it's $25. And with Visible Plus, it is originally $45, right? Not counting any promos that gives you a $10 discount, not any promos that's giving it to you for 3 months free, but the actual price of Visible Plus, $45. Okay, so it's $20 more than the base plan. And on Mobile X's base, you're getting about the same network quality and connectivity, kind of. And that's the point that I was trying to make. So really, it's just all about if you want fully unlimited or if you want better network quality at a cheaper price. That's the difference between Mobile X and Visible. And one other thing, then on Mobile X, you can control your spending, which is a big thing.